So guys, today we're gonna install new, what is it called? Brighter lights? White lights? The Silverstone lights. Fucking
Oh, you're
nice
getting the
ones.
white ones, the ones I have.
Because these fucking yellow ass lights, boo boo.
Yeah, they're boo boo. Boo boo lights.
Right?
And I don't know if I have a clip where you could actually see your lights at night, and the stock ones, because they look
Nigga,
ugly.
we took pictures of them, huh?
Oh yeah, I'll just put a picture so you can see how his headlights look. It's a beautiful day today. Look where we live. Ah, you thought I was gonna let you guys know. Oh. Your Prius?
My Prius. So baby.
Shit. But I already took out the first light bulb. Right there. Oh, right there. I'm gonna show you. Oh, I'm gonna show you the actual process on that side because it's pretty much the same shit. But yeah, I already took it off and it's easy as fuck. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. Alright, so I installed the first light. Cause I'm a cool kid. But you guys can see stock color. Not stock color. Which one looks better? Okay, bye. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do this side. And this side you're gonna have to be a little bit more careful if your car is hot because someone I told hold it like this, sideways. Man, it's gonna be hotter because we just used the car to go to the store and get the light bulbs. It's hot. Oh shit, that's hot as fuck. But the light bulb is right here, the headlight. Right there, the one with the green marking on. And all you have to do is gimme, or just do it. Yeah. All you have to do is there's gonna be like a little switch or button. Alright, there's gonna be a button right here. No, you're taking down. Yeah, there you go. There's gonna be a button right there. You guys can see it right there. You press it, and then if it's possible, try to push it down. Hold on. There, I took it off. Look. You guys looking? And there you go. That's the wiring for the light bulb. And then all you have to do is grab this and push it to the right. And that's it. It's out. Now I'm gonna show you how to put the new one back in. Woo. This is the new bulb. This was the old one. Let them see. This is the old one. Yeah, and this is the new one. This is trash. Not trash. Trash. Not trash. Trash. Alright. So look, where we left off, guys. We left off. You know, I'm so blind, I can't see. Hold on. All right, so it's you align it with the lines that it has right here. You guys can see. You just align them until the bulb is in there, good. And then once it's in there and you can't move it, rotate it up. I think it's up, yeah. Or no, it's down, I guess. Yeah, it's down. You move it down until you hear like a little snap. Or just, okay. I didn't hear a snap. Alright, and then you just put the cable back in. I don't know if you got that. You catch that? Oh, that's hot. And there you go. The light's all the way in. This was a quick, what, 3 minute? 3 minute install. And yes, I know how to put light bulbs in cars because I did it on my Mazda 3. So I have an idea how to put them on. So yeah, it only took us like 3 minutes. I'm sure anyone could do it. Probably a 5-year-old like his lip. His lip took us like what, 5 minutes to install last time. And yeah, let me show them the finish. You can't see it though. So this is how it looks with the new ones. This is new. It's white. Looks good.